Top tourist attractions in the Philippines. Caramoan Islands. This popular spot is where your adventures start. Kick off your holiday with island camping, rock climbing and much more. El Nido. If you can't get enough of crystal clear waters, El Nido has something special in store for you. Boracay Beach. The beach of your dreams has a lot more to offer than just snorkeling. Why don't you explore it a little more? Batad Rice Terraces. Get an insight into Philippine agriculture. Carved by hand into the mountainside, this wonder is a refreshing location to visit. Manila. The capital city has got it all under its roof: shopping malls, museums, parks and the best moments with it all. Pescador Island. Vibrant reef, an underwater cave and a paradise for divers who wouldn't want some quality time with the sea. Chocolate Hills. Bohol starts you off with this geological amazement to woo you with its incredible vistas. Kawasan Falls. Kawasan Falls is a turquoise wonder that falls from the foot of Mantalongon mountain range. Start swimming in the cold crystal clear spring water and see how refreshing it feels. Twin Lagoon Lake. The most picturesque location in Coron is the Twin Lagoon, and if you leave without seeing it, you are missing out. Mount Pinatubo. If you are up for something thrilling at the end of your trip, how about hiking an active volcanic peak to find its crater lake? Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Let us know which attraction caught your eye. Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch more interesting and latest videos.